Okay, so you have two dice that you're going to roll. And you have to let event A be the first die that shows an even number, and event B be the second die that shows an odd number. So what is probability of A such that B? So it's kind of nice that they give you what formula you're going to use, which is probability of A such that B. But the reason why you're going to have to use the probability of A is that you're working with two dice. So since you're working with two dice and not just one, that's why you're going to have to use this formula right here. So let's get into it. So we have probability of A such that B is equal to, and you're going to have to use A and B for the probability of B. So your A is going to be, we'll say, even number. And your B event, it says odd number on the dice, or the die, which equals the probability of even and odd. All over probability of your odd. So if we were to look at this, you know that on a die there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your even numbers, 2, 4, and 6. So this means that you have 3 out of 6 numbers, which is equal to 1/2. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for your odd, 1, 1, 3, and 5. So this one will also give you 3 out of 6, which equals 1/2. This was for the even number, or event A, and odd number, which is our event B. So now we're just going to have to use our formula. So the probability that if the even number happens first, then what's the probability that the odd, you'll get an odd number on the dice. So this is equal to your probability of even number times this end, means that you're going to have to times it, of your odd number. So we have 1/2 times 1/2 all over, and then what's the probability of an odd number happening? Well, it's going to be, we have it right here, event B, probability of B is going to be 1/2. So this is equal to 1/2 of the probability of an even number and such that it's an odd number. So our final answer is 1/2. If you need to see this worked out, 1/2 times 1/2, the way I did it quickly is I just simplified it by canceling these two. But you could have also had it to where it was 1 times 1, put that in red, and 2 times 2. This is equal to 1/4 over 1/2. 1/4 over 1/2 can be changed to 1/4 over 2, which equals 1/2.